In this video, I'm just going to take you through the process and how to make AI pictures that look exactly like your face. So to create this type of pictures, let me just zoom in. You see, the pictures are like so real. You can see. I don't have to start to. I don't even know this guy, but you can see the pictures are real. Look at this one. And I can turn all these pictures to videos. I'll make one so you can see. Yeah, if you look close, you see. Are you seeing the sweat? Are you seeing the sweat from my face? Look at my neck, the detailing. The sweat from my face. I didn't take this picture. All these shits, all these things are AI. So now let's dive in. We're using Google Gemini. So we want to create an image. So click on Nano Banana, which we have clicked on it, same image. So one thing you have to understand about image is consistency. It's one of the most important things. I think all the images I've created with AI is my face, like it's consistent. This is a workflow that I prepared for my followers. An AI powered $100 workflow, step-by-step blueprint on how you can make your first $100 with AI. But the reason why we are here is not that. This is why we are here. We are here to make a particular type of content. So this is an image prompt. This one here you are seeing like this. Why that one is a video prompt. Now this is a reference lock. What reference lock means is that you are using this particular thing to tell the AI that this image that you want to create, I want it to be exactly like this. As you can see, face reference instruction, critical, do not deviate. They are instructed because AI is like your boy. You understand? AI is like your boy. You have to tell AI what the AI has to do. You get me? What we are going to do is we'll now copy the image from prompt first. We have to delete. I'll give you guys this prompt. We have to delete it like this. Then we just add everything together. We copy it like this. Then we'll go to our Gemini and now we paste it. Now we have pasted the prompt on Gemini. Now because we added this reference, it means that you are telling this AI that there is an image you want to recreate to anything. So let's go and get an image. So I click on this plus sign here. You see upload file. So let me go to my download. Okay, let me use this one. So in this image, I'm sitting inside the car. Let it load. And now we'll click on go. The most important thing about creating images and videos with AI is your prompt. You need to learn how to describe the image very well for the AI to understand what actually you're doing. You can see loading Nano Banana for the image. Look at it. So I think there is an error here. I did not plate my hair, but this particular one now is showing that I plate my hair. So I don't want my hair to be plate. So let's go back to the prompt. So the prompt says that with braided cornrows. So I'm going to remove this part. This is the first picture we got, which I was not satisfied with it because it does not look like me. So I have to go again. You can do this thing inside your phone successfully. Just open the Google this thing. Even the free version, you can do something out. So let's see how this one is going to be. Exactly. Now this one looks like me. Look at it. Look at it. See that it looks like me. Let me zoom it out. You can see it looks like me. Are you seeing the image? This is the image we just created now. See that it looks like me, right? Let's turn this image to a video. The video you watched. So let's turn the image to the video you watched first. So we'll go back to our prompt. Now, I like arranging my prompt with Google Docs. If you see, I have a lot of Google Docs open because there are different things here that I used to make my videos and post in my private channels. So this is the prompt. So I carry the prompt for the video, copy, and then I'm back to my Gemini. And what I have to do is I need to change the model from Nano Banana to Veo 3. So I'll click cancel and I'll add tool and I'll click on create video. Since it's video, it has created a new shot from the Google Gemini. So I'll need to add a reference image that you want to create a video with. So you click and then this time now, the reference image will be the first image you created from Gemini again. Whatever you describe to AI, that is what AI is going to give to you. Make your English just correct. That's what AI is going to give you. But this is how you create those images. Most Instagram accounts you are seeing today, they are all AI. They're not real because there's an advanced level you could get to. You can create insane things with it. So let's go. You can see I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back. So as you can see, our video is ready. Now look, here is the video. So you see that Google Gemini also gives you a soundtrack. Now you can see it has Veo logo here and this logo here. How to remove this logo is simple. When you export your video, take it to your CapCut and do your editing there. Use the video to do whatever you want to use it for. This is how you create music video. You create the videos, the images first, scene by scene. Then you now create the videos. But for now, if you want my workflow for 2026, just follow any of my pages at Rodamni on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So write my YouTube channel. Then just send me evidence that you have. Then I'll just send it for you.